I had planned on installing the 14-tooth sprocket on my motorcycle, and that was executed yesterday.
तो ये क्वालिटी वो नहीं है वो
हाँ
ये क्वालिटी में नहीं है ये इसका दर्द उसका दर्द तो बहुत फर्क है ये क्वालिटी अच्छा है वो भी ऐसे ये क्वालिटी नहीं है
So what Ravi is saying is that this art of motorcycle sprocket that we are talking about, which I planned on installing, he says that in terms of quality, this is of a superior quality than this one. उसका क्वालिटी दिख भी वैसे रहा है कि वो थोड़ा सा बेटर है. ये मैंने पहले कभी यूज़ नहीं किया है तो आई एम नॉट.
वेट भी देख लो
हाँ
वेट भी देखो कैसा
या इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेट इट्स एक्चुअली
वेट नहीं है
at least 1.5 times heavier.
ठीक है मैं डालता हूँ बात देखूँगा चला के गिरा के देख लो
Okay.
एक दो तीन चला मैं एक बार
Now it's time for me to check whether I feel any sense of difference in the initial torque when I ride my motorcycle. Alright, so time to go. I'm keeping my senses open to feeling the difference in the motorcycle, the way it picks up as I roll the throttle. So let's do it. Let's see. Yes, there is a difference. I won't deny, but is it outstandingly different? Maybe not. Maybe I'll ride for some more and then be conclusive about it. Oh yes, I do feel the difference. The difference is not something you will miss, although it might not be an outstanding amount of difference, but definitely something that is palpable. Okay, once again, let's rev it up, 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 rev it up. Oh yes, oh yeah. The thing with the 650 is that anyway it's a very torquey engine, you know. On top of that, I'm noticing the difference. Alright. Sweet. This feels sweet. It's the torque that spreads a smile on my face. And again I'm saying it's not groundbreakingly different, but that extra torque and an extra smile.